point where it was subjected to so many air raids by the German Nazis. When you're coming over here, you've got these little rentals. Okay, so that was the journey, came to an end. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop into the town, check out the town center. We're gonna check out the old town and little villages. There you go, the locals, yeah? The locals. Hello ladies. From the beautiful town of Folkestone, we say au revoir. Over here in the countryside, when you're traveling, so people are extremely polite.
Extremely good.
Yes, not like London. Like people are crazy. They're when you're driving.
London people drive like
yeah, man. Actually, just ignoring like all the norms of normal social behaviours and approaches. You know what I mean? They go absolutely bonkers. Back on the right track. Right, we just pull over here. Right, we need to get some drink. Right, we got some drink, some soft drink and some vegetables. Then we're gonna get back on the road. But there ain't no one at the till. Hopefully someone's gonna turn up. Right, it's gonna cost us how much, so brother?
16.80.
16.80. Alright, so we shall I play it over there. There you go. We're gonna play it over here. Right, done. Thank you. The good old Lidl. Okay, so that's what we went to do our shopping for the day. This is the coastal town of Folkestone over here in southeast of England, on the English Channel, which is about 10 miles away from Dover. So at the time of the World War II, it was a very strategic sort of like an area over here across the English Channel, towards a point where it was subjected to so many air raids by the German Nazis, and also it was a little town where it was sending troops, the British troops across the English Channel over to France. Yes, so yeah, a very important little town. Right, so let's carry on and I'm just gonna go straight up, see what we're gonna come up with next. The history of this little town, it stretches back all the way to the prehistoric times. So this little town of Folkestone, so it's about 10 miles away from Dover, so not that far away. As I said, so the Folkestone today, it has developed a lot, obviously, lots of attractions, and also the arrival of the railway, Southeastern Railway, also developed the city, linking up Folkestone to different parts of the country. So yeah, it's all for good. It's the way to go down. I'm just gonna go straight to the beach and let's check the water, see like how is it like. Possibly cold. Right, so this is Folkestone for you. When you're coming over here, You've got these little rentals, so you can just like run it yourself and chill and relax. Alright, let's go and check the water. Possibly it's cold. I bet it is cold. Alright, let's go and find out. So, welcome to Folkestone, little holiday resort. Well, it's definitely a holiday resort, actually. It is, because it's one of, as I said, it's one of the coastal town here on the English Channel. I gotta say, the water's so strong, so wavy. Alright, let's get closer and check it out. How wavy that is. And obviously, you've got some locals as well, like fishing. Good luck. Brother, did you get anyone? Nothing at all. Oh, good luck, bro. Right, okay, so we came so far, right, here to the town of Folkestone. Right, it's Saturday, so to enjoy the beautiful weather and enjoy the beach, the serenity around the town. Unfortunately, we can't swim because, like I said, the water is quite wavy and it's quite strong as well. So, unless you're a good swimmer, then you better not try it. Right, let's get out of here, yeah, because there's lots of water. It's gone into my trainers. Right, let's get out of here. Right, okay, so that was the journey, came to an end. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop into the town, check out the town centre. We're gonna check out the old town and little villages. Don't know how long we're gonna stay here, but as I said, so the day is still young, so we've got loads of time, and then we might walk in the town centre and check out the little beautiful, straight, typical English little countryside town. As you can see, lots of people, the locals, just chilling, billing, and enjoying the Saturday session by the beach. Right, so, and that's it. So. Hello, come here. Hello, little screw. Oh my god, the scenery is absolutely amazing, man. It looks so pretty. So these are the caves which defended the Nazi Germans in World War I and II. And that's the overview of the beautiful sea. Right, we're going to march on. We're going to go to the town centre. Hello, little one. Hello. Amanda, your mama's calling you. Come up. Amanda's tired. She's like relaxing. It looks absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you, Folkestone. We are the polygons. We're going for another voice. I'll just take a mess of gold. But I know we've been here before. Sunset smiles on the shore. But I know you're one of mine. Instead of giving me up, but give me a try. How many times will we need it before?
Right, so Saturday today, the weather is absolutely amazing, and a massive crowd over here in the town of Folkestone. There you are, brother. How you doing? Having a good time, yeah?
Yes, pretty good.
There you go. The locals, yeah?
The locals.
Right. Have a good one, yeah? Cheers. Right, so there you go, the locals here. So have a bit of banter. So yeah, it's Saturday, as I said, like, it's a good party out here today, and everyone's just enjoying themselves and having a good time. Yeah. There you go.
Tomorrow, house music.
Hello, battery pack.
Bandstand, house music tomorrow.
There you go, you got the message, right? Everyone come to Folkestone, right? Cheerio, ladies! So this gentleman, apparently his name is like Harvey. I've got no clue what is this all about, but well, let's say he's one of the gallants of the town at the time of the war against the Nazi Germany. Probably he was the one that was defending and was standing the last man defending this beautiful town of Folkestone. Right, here you go. The man to this date stands tall and proud, Harvey, the gallant. Alright, Harvey, we gave you a salute, brother. May you stay eternal. Right, just in case you get lost, you do not know where to go, so come to this particular location and then follow those signs. So that will tell you, right, if you want to go to the town centre, so you've got to turn right here. Right, so we're heading off towards the town centre here in Folkestone. So apparently it's about 8 minutes walk, right, according to the strict sign. We shall find out if that is the case. About 8 minutes walk, but obviously it depends like on your pace, how pacey and fast you are when it comes to walking. Right, but anyway, so the thing is, like, the only trouble I'm having at the moment is the fact my battery is running out. So hello ladies, you alright? So there you go, some friendly locals. So off to the town tonight, but as I said, so unfortunately the battery is running out, so hope we can manage to get the job done, but I very much doubt it. Well, there's always that next time though. Christchurch, is this the Christchurch though? Yeah, I bet it is. The man just ignored me, so if you ever like are coming over here to UK to like give a visit to UK, One of the most important things, like you probably can see, like in every town, right, in English towns, you see the fish and chips. So that is the nation's favorite dish, or sort of like a fast takeaway sort of thing, fish and chips. So there you go, fish and chips over here in Folkestone. Right, someone nicked his shop. Call the police. So one of the other factors, like when it comes to hello ladies, when it comes to Saturdays, like when it comes to the weekends, so all across the UK, like it's small little English town. So what happens? People like get together and having a fiesta, and these people are having a party as well themselves. There you go. There's an East Kent. Right, ladies, hello. There you go, the local girls. Cheers. Right, so over here, like in the UK, so when it comes to the like on weekends, well, it's Saturday on Sunday, like in most places, like in the town centre. So over here on Sundays, you get like on the marketplace, right? You get all that people, like the vendors coming over in the town centre with all the shops and all that stuff. So this is the main part of Folkestone town centre. So yeah, it looks cool. Okay, from the beautiful town of Folkestone, we say au revoir.
I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why. You like it, I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down, 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 down. Yeah, you just always been the type to rush things. You just always been the type that can't wait. You just always been the type that can't wait for me. It's been a mess and I'm trying to dial back. Can you stick through it with me or not? And it might take a minute, but we'll get it. The type of love that you want, like it. I know that you like it, you like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah.
Right, it's all absolutely amazing, absolutely lush green.